कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक चलते हुए एजुकेशन सेगमेंट में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा असर रहा, खास करके स्कूल गोइंग बच्चों के लिए। बच्चे घर पर ही अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और ऑनलाइन पढ़ने की कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं। ऐसे में जी माउंट लिटरल स्कूल काफ़ी कोशिश कर रहा है कि बच्चे अपनी स्टडीज से दूर ना रहें। जब बात टीचर्स डे की आ रही है यानी 5 सितंबर को, तो जी माउंट लिटरल स्कूल ने एक स्पेशल प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया ऑनलाइन, जहां पर बच्चों ने टीचर्स के बारे में कहा। इस ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम के अंदर कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने सर राधा कृष्णन के ऊपर स्पीचेस बोले और कई सारे आर्टिकल्स भी बने। एक अच्छा इंटरेक्शन रहा जी माउंट लिटरल स्कूल की तरफ से टीचर्स डे के दिन। आइए देखते हैं इनमें से कई सारे बच्चे टीचर्स डे के लिए क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं।
From class 3rd. Today I will give speech on Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tiruthalli, India. He was a famous teacher, philosopher and most respected scholar of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan was elected as first Vice President of India. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1954. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. I am Shravani Reddy. I am studying in grade 1. My fancy dress role is principal, madam. Good morning, children. I am the principal of Mount Literacy School. How are you, children? Which class is going now? Oh, mathematics class. Okay. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Chinmay Santosh Rathod, studying in Mount Literacy School in grade 1. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers Day. I will begin my speech with this beautiful slok. Join your hands and speak after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Guruve Namah. And very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatima. And school I wish on Literacy School. My teacher, I love you. I love you. You love me. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You're so nice, so kind, heartful. Happy Teacher's Day. Bye bye.
Everyone, my name is Shreya Maile. I am studying in Mount Literacy School in grade 5th. Happy Teacher's Day. Today I am your maths teacher. My name is Shreya Patel. Today I am going to teach you a number system. Okay, children? I am going to share my screen. So please mute your mic. Children, in a number system, there are two types. International system. International system is a unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This one have a international system. Indian system. Indian system is a unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, million, 10 million. This one have a Indian system. So children, practice at your home. This is a today homework. So see you next class. Bye.
Good morning to all. Happy Teachers Day to my lovely teachers. My name is Sukrut. I am studying in senior KG. I am dressed up like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great teacher and our former president.
A very good morning everyone. I am Faisal Rahman from Mount Literacy School, grade 4. Today on this auspicious day, I take the opportunity of celebrating our wonderful teachers. 5th September, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day and night, making sure that our future is bright. Now, why 5th September is chosen as Teachers Day? Because this day is actually the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who was he? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a renowned academic of our country. He was also the first Vice President and the second President of independent India. To quote a few lines said by some famous personalities. Number 1. By APJ Abdul Kalam. He said, "Teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillars upon which all aspirations are converted into realities." Beautifully said, wasn't it? He also quoted, "Dreams are not what you sleep. It is that which doesn't let you sleep." And do you know who helps us fulfill these dreams? Yes, none other than our beloved teachers. Nowadays, we give so much importance to technology. We think advanced technology means success, development, etc., etc. But it is not so. Let me quote the lines from a pioneer in technology. Bill Gates, best known as co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. He said, "Technology is just a tool. This means every technology becomes failure without our respected teachers." I can go on, but since time is constrained, I come to an end. My respected and dear teachers, no token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you. We will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Thank you so much.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Happy Teachers Day to my all teachers. Good morning everyone. I am Shravani, studying in Mount Litera's School in grade 1. Today I am your EVS teacher. Good morning children. So student, in last class we studied about myself. Today we are going to study about my family. Open page number 17. Can you all hear me? Yes. Small family or nuclear family, big family, joint family or large family. Next class we study about big family. Bye children. Take care.
Good morning to all. Happy Teachers Day to my lovely teachers. My name is Mohit. I am studying in 3rd standard. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, an excellent teacher, and our former president. Teachers Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect to teachers in recognition of their contribution in the field of education. Thank you and love you all, my dear teachers.
Good morning everybody. I am Manha Fatima, studying in Mount Literacy School, Gulbarga, in grade 2. Today I am your principal of Mount Literacy School.
Good morning everybody. My name is Mustafa Mahidawla. I am studying in Mount Literacy School, Gulbarga, in
studying in Mount Literacy School in grade 2. I am Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 in Madras. Teachers are the pillars of our society. They play an important role in the lives of our children. Teachers are the cornerstones of our future and act as foundation for creating responsible citizens and good human beings.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mariam Fatima. I am student of Mount Literacy School. I am singing one song on Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to my all teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to my all teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are the light of life. You are the gift from God. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are the light of life. You are the gift from God. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to my all teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to my all teachers.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vanesh Garge, studying in Mount Literacy School in 3rd grade. I'm your English grammar teacher for today. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Personal pronouns stand for three persons: the first person, the second person, and the third person. When pronouns are placed after verbs, they are object pronouns. Example, Raitra likes me. The pronoun is me. I will be posting a homework page on Octopod, so stay here for that. Happy Teachers' Day to everyone, and we will see you back in the next class. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Yayali from Mount Literacy School, Kalpurgi. Today I am your PT teacher. Today I am going to show how many sports grounds are there in our school. First ground is football ground, and the next ground is cricket ground, and the next ground is archery ground, and the next ground is tennis ground, and the next ground is volleyball ground, and the next ground is basketball ground, and the next area is play zone area. In play zone area we have slides, swing and merry-go-round, etc. Many more.
याद रखिए जी माउंट लिटरेसी स्कूल का एड्रेस है बिसाइड काशी कमल अपार्टमेंट्स, अफजलपुर रोड, गुलबर्गा. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स कॉन्टैक्ट द नंबर्स ऑन स्क्रीन.